Hey, this is Taylor here at Truck World RVA. Today we're going to be looking at this 2010 International 4400. It's a 7.6 single turbo Maxxforce DT Allison automatic transmission, 145,000 miles, 11,000 hours, has a 14-foot Knapheide service body and a stellar 14.528 crane, 14,000 pounds maximum lifting capacity, 28-foot two-stage hydraulic extension, hydraulic outriggers, Miller Bobcat 260 welder, and a hydraulic air compressor as well. The goal of these videos is to show you everything about the truck as if you were here in person. So the first half, I'm going to take some time going around, highlighting any imperfections I see, going inside all the bins underneath the truck, just showing the equipment as a whole. The second half of the video, we'll do a cold start, engine video, a drive, and then a demo of all the equipment on it. We do these videos on every truck we sell, and this is all we buy and sell. If you don't see exactly what you're looking for on my website, my inventory is a little low at the moment, but I have a ton of trucks that are in process, so let me know what you're looking for, and I probably have it coming in or in process in the shop. So again, it's an Allison automatic. It's a 33K GVWR truck, does require CDL to drive. You have your laptop mount inside, aftermarket wireless remote, air brakes, there's your crane controller down there. It does have diff lock, engine brake, and again it's showing just over 11,000 hours. Power windows, manual door locks. Overall, the truck's pretty clean. That's not even a chip, those are just some smudges there. There's a little scratch there. Not a whole lot to point out on the truck itself. No damage that I can see on the front chrome bumper. It does have Alcoas all the way around. If you'd like a list of all the service work we've done to the truck, I'm happy to provide that as well. We'll have a full write-up online, but I can send you all receipts for parts and labor. We use all OEM parts when available, which is most of the time. And anything that we find that the truck needs done, we take care of it here. Obviously, this truck needs to go and work for you, so the goal is no downtime right off the bat. You can go and go to work right away. So we do go over them as thoroughly as possible, and anything that needs attention, we do address. Michelin steer tires, plenty of tread left on those. That door's locked, I can come around to it later. The bed is 14 foot total length. It's just been refinished. We do not touch the insides of the beds, just the exterior. So we're not painting over any rust on the bin floors or anything like that. We just sandblast and paint the exterior of the body. So you can see the bed shows extremely well. Tall compartment here. Looks like some sort of racks in the bottom, probably just remove. Some shelving in here. Some staining on this inner compartment. Looks like that piece at some point was cut out, re-welded. It's a common area on these beds, just where the tires kick up debris. One long drawer here. Nice big workbench rear bumper. Obviously it's hydraulic outriggers. Tons of lay down space on the bumper to work off of. One large reel in there. There's your controllers for the outriggers. Here's a load chart with the crane. 28 feet length, 14,000 pounds. Maximum lifting capacity. Door's a little cockeyed there, but it does close and latch. Looks like we're missing some trio lights in the back. Just have to put those in. Tons of bed space. It does have its factory tie downs in here. It's an SRS65 hydraulic compressor by American Eagle. You do have your welding leads here, and a Miller Bobcat 260 welder. A little bit of damage to the sheet metal here. I'm sure at some point it got hit by the crane. I see that all the time. This bed does have the master slide on it. You can push that in, lock all the doors at once. I actually have a new handle for this inside. It came in last week and I couldn't remember what truck it goes on, but now I remember. So we'll have a new handle there. Large compartment here. Extra shelf right here that we can remount in there. That's just tape. Nice set of drawers here. Another shelf in the bottom, and this middle shelf, we'll adjust that back up as well. So some of these little things that I'm seeing on the video, one of the reasons I do the videos is it's kind of a last go around for me as well, to kind of look at the vehicle one more time, make sure all the little details are taken care of. So those shelves will be reattached and that door latch will be on, and some of these little items that I'm pointing out, we will take care of them prior to the truck going out. So really nice set of drawers here. You have these tall skinny ones, still have space on top as well for additional items. Tons of dividers. So lots and lots and lots of organizational space in there. Another thing is, if there's anything that you want more photos, videos, or pictures, I said photos, or information on, you can call or text anytime at 804-716-8487. The main reason I do these is just so that there's no surprises. You know exactly what you're getting. Try to show every single part of the truck that I can. So if you have any questions at all after reviewing this video, or need any more information on anything that I talk about here, or just more close-up pictures of anything I go over in the video, give me a shout at 804-716-8487. That's about it for the cosmetic portion. I'll do a cold start now. We'll look at the engine, drive it a little bit, and then we'll run the crane. $145,885 on the miles. Gotta put my seat down a little bit. I do see that ABS light on. Again, that's something that we'll take care of. Truck drives great. It's spring ride with a long wheelbase. It handles pretty well. It's not too bouncy. Tons of power. Pulls great. No problems getting up to speed in this thing. Real quick before we run the crane, I just want to talk about some of the lighting on the truck. You do have interior compartment lighting in all of the compartments. It's not the newer style LED, but it does the job. No light in that compartment. That one's cut. We just need to repair the wires to it. As well as some floodlights up top, some work lights as well. There's a panel inside the cab to control the PTO and the lighting. You can also control it from back here. Kick the compressor on. compressor kicks butt. The thing builds air quick. Both outriggers extend hydraulically. The crane is run off a wireless remote aftermarket with a trigger for proportional control. Just bump the idle up. This is full speed right now. It's a nice controllable speed. Again, it's a two-stage hydraulic extension out to 28 feet. You can go slow and ease it in like I'm doing now. And then I showed you about what full speed is as well. Hey, thanks again for watching. Again, it's a 2010 International, 145,000 miles, 11,000 hours, 14,000 pound crane, 14-foot bed, hydraulic compressor, Miller Welder. If you have any questions, it's 804-716-8487. Again, this is all we buy and sell. If you're looking for something in a different chassis, in a different size, let me know. All I do are mechanics trucks. We do offer commercial financing, and I can ship anywhere in the US. So thanks again for watching. If you have any questions, give me a shout.